How to enable Cash App card if it is disabled. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable Cash App card if it is disabled. So for that you need to go on the Google Play Store, install the Cash App, and then you will be seeing a page like this. So if the Cash App is disabled because of its activation, then I'll show you how you can do that. After you see this, you need to go on the home page, and now you need to activate your Cash App card by tapping on the number, and after activating it, your Cash App card will be enabled. This is the very first option how you can solve it. The second option is to go on your profile, which is on the top right side of the screen. After that, just scroll down and down up until you see the option of support. On the support, you can simply contact the people of Cash App card, and then you can state your problem, and then the feedback will be sent after a few days. That's how we can solve the problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below.